Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Trip. So I ended up staying an extra night at this hotel. I woke up in the morning and it was raining, it was wet, there was fronts moving through, and I didn't feel like driving in the rain the whole day, and it didn't really stop till after like 1 o'clock. And so I'm glad I chose not to leave. But today's trip's a short ride, about 130 kilometers, and we'll be, let me show you on the map, I can't pronounce this word, it's Stan Hoa. That is the destination. So, it's still overcast. We'll come look at the window here. I'm just getting ready to check out the hotel room, loaded the bike. I need to stop and get gas. So as soon as I load the bike, I got to take the backpack off again because fun thing about the Blade is that the gas tank's under the seat and my bag's strapped to the seat. So yeah, quite overcast and wet. Don't appear to be raining. If it is, I'm just going to have to power through it because I don't know when the next clear day is going to be, and I really want to get up north of Hanoi and into that area. And today is pretty much about just getting to the destination. It actually goes along the coast, so with the day's weather, I don't know if that'll be anything special. And I don't know how close I really will be to the coast. I'm gonna get the bike loaded up, checked out of the hotel, and get on the road. You know, I'll see you out on the road. I'm at the gas station, but I don't need gas. It's taking a stop, but we'll be getting gas probably the next hour or so. Let's check the map. 60 so odd kilometers from the next stop, the hotel. And I've gone 80 something, so it's 140 something kilometers a day. It's good and pull out and make the light. Last time I was talking, I was like, oh, it don't look like rain. And of course, as soon as I said that, a few raindrops fell. Just like a few are spitting down now. I can feel an occasional drop. When it comes to innovation on how to pack a motorbike, Vietnamese got to be at Up there at the top of the list. Yeah, I'm sure. Safety last. Yeah. This has pretty much been my view all day. Busy highway, gray skies, occasional raindrop. This is the toll booth. I don't know if I've had the camera on before, but I think that if you're in trucks and stuff, you go through, but the motorbikes go over here. You just go right on past. I think that's what it was all. I think I got avoid tolls set on my phone, so it was trying to get me to avoid the toll, which I've yet to see there's a toll for any motorbikes. So. I've arrived and got checked into the hotel. It's the Camilla Hotel. And let me look at, you think I would know what city I'm in, but I don't. Let me look at my phone real quick. Than Hao. We're gonna show you on the phone there. That city, that's where I am, right there. So, I'm here, nice little hotel. It was $9 a night, so I mean, what do you expect? Hey, I got a little view and a sort of a balcony, but it's got the AC unit. Yeah, you can see how overcast it is. I thought this morning was going to be, the way the weather report said it was like more chance of a rain in the morning, and then so when I didn't see any rain this morning, and when I left, it was very overcast. I was pretty excited. I was like, okay, it's just going to be overcast. As the day got on, the rain was never heavy. It was just enough to make your visor on the helmet bad. Anyway, let's take a look at this hotel. I'll put a link in the description. For $9, I don't know if you can beat it. Well, actually can. I had a really nice hotel for like $11 in Delat, which was fabulous. But we're not in Delat. We're in a thing, whatever. Anyway, see the bathroom. Typical bathroom. Got the king size bed, a couple of hard chairs, a desk. Let's take a look. Yeah, I thought that was there. Okay. Let's take a look and do the mattress test. Yeah, that's another firm one. Basically, it gets to the point what I've learned is unless you're in a very popular tourist area with a lot of foreigners and stuff. I mean, this is true to like a Thai hotel. They speak like zero English here. I mean, a Thai hotel, a Vietnamese hotel. I don't think cater to foreigners too much, but in the tourist areas, you get more Western style hotels with Western style mattresses, and I mean, I'm sure they exist elsewhere too, but you're playing hit or miss with you choose more of a local place because evidently the Vietnamese and the Thai as well, and I'm sure probably in Cambodia as well too, and in Laos probably too. They like a very firm mattress. It's not any fun. It doesn't feel good. I've gotten used to it, amazingly enough. I do not say that I definitely do not prefer them. But if you're looking if you want that guaranteed soft mattress, you're going to have to pay a little bit. You're just going to have to go to a more international style hotel, and it's going to cost you a little bit more. So you're probably looking at $30, $40 a night, which is still, if you're used to vacation elsewhere in the world, it's still a great deal. But here, that's big money. So anyway, rainy day, not the greatest ride, but I got to where I was going. That's all that matters. Anyway, tomorrow, be heading up into the mountains. I don't know if actually into the mountains, but heading toward the mountains. Actually, and it should start to be some beautiful riding. I don't know what the weather's going to be like. But I think, well, let's just hope it ain't raining. Let's just do that. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to order some food because I have no desire to get out and walk around in the rain. So I'm going to order some Grab. I've been doing that a lot lately. Been doing a lot of Grab orders. Anyway, I'm going to get some food. Probably relax a little bit, then get some food. Anyway, that's another day on the Vietnam Motorbike Trip. Always remember to enjoy yourself. It's later than you think. My snapping finger ain't working. You know what I mean. There, snap.